Welcome back to the channel. If you drive a diesel, keeping your engine clean and your fuel flowing is an absolute must. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best diesel fuel additives on the market. To keep this video short and sweet, we're going to jump right in. By the way, I've dropped the links to all these products down in the description below so you can easily check them out. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5 is the STA-BIL Diesel Fuel Stabilizer. This 32-ounce bottle treats 320 gallons and is the ultimate choice for keeping your diesel fresh for up to 12 months. It actively prevents sludge and sediment buildup and uses advanced technology to eliminate water from your tank. If your diesel truck or equipment sits for long periods and you want reliable, long-term protection, STA-BIL is exactly what you need. At number 4, we have Hot Shot's Secret Diesel Extreme. This 64-ounce bottle is a highly concentrated cleaner that treats 160 gallons. It's designed to completely clean out your tank, lines, and injectors. Not only does it remove free water, but it also stabilizes your fuel, gives you a massive cetane boost, and lubricates your fuel pump. If your engine is feeling sluggish and you need to restore lost performance, this is an aggressive and highly effective treatment. Moving to number 3, it's the Opti-Lube XPD All-Season additive. This massive 2-gallon jug treats an incredible 1,024 gallons, making it extremely budget-friendly, costing just pennies per treated gallon. It significantly improves fuel economy, cleans injectors, and features enough anti-gel to keep your fuel flowing all the way down to -10 degrees Fahrenheit. If you run heavy-duty trucks or farm equipment, this is a phenomenal all-around investment. Taking the number 2 spot is the Stanadyne Performance Formula. This comes in a super convenient 4-pack of 8-ounce bottles. It's an incredibly well-rounded additive that improves horsepower, boosts fuel economy, and provides fantastic cold weather anti-gel protection. It safely cleans and lubricates your entire system and is fully compatible with ULSD and B20 blends. For a quick, easy-to-pour, all-in-one solution, Stanadyne is hard to beat. And finally, coming in at number 1 is the legendary House Diesel Treat. This 64-ounce petroleum-based formula is the nation's most trusted anti-gel. It demulsifies water, safely pushing it out of your fuel without using any harmful alcohols or solvents. Plus, it adds vital lubricity to protect your injectors and pumps. If you want a guaranteed way to prevent fuel gelling and keep your rig running perfectly all winter long, House is the absolute best choice. And there you have it, the top 5 diesel additives to protect your engine and boost your performance. Remember, the links to all of these products are right down in the description. If you found this video helpful, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Take care of yourselves, drive safe, and I will see you in the next one.